Welcome back guys to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to download GTA San Andreas on your laptop or PC. Firstly, you need to launch the Steam app. Download it if you don't have it, then sign in with your account if prompt. Click on the Store tab in the upper left corner, then click the search bar on the top right corner. Type Grand Theft Auto San Andreas and hit enter. Click on the game from the list and choose your birth date, then click View Page. Scroll down and click on Add to Cart because you need to buy it. Click Purchase from myself and enter your payment info and proceed with the payment. Click Continue, then Agree box, then Purchase. After purchase, Steam will begin downloading the game. You can view the downloaded progress in the library download section. Once installed, go to your library, find GTA San Andreas, then click Play. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.